Introducing Phone Clinics, the comprehensive phone diagnostic software designed to diagnose devices efficiently and effectively. With our dual application system, Phone Clinics brings together a powerful desktop application and a user-friendly mobile app, each serving distinct yet complementary purposes. The desktop application gives you complete control over connected devices, providing detailed insights into device specifications, connection status, and diagnostic history. The mobile app guides users through a series of diagnostic tests, seamlessly identifying hardware issues and reporting results back to the desktop for comprehensive analysis. Phone Clinics is packed with features that make diagnostics easy. 1. Multi-device support. Manage multiple devices simultaneously. 2. Comprehensive testing suite. From hardware to software, test it all. 3. User-friendly interface. Simple and intuitive for everyone. 4. Real-time monitoring and reporting. Get instant, detailed feedback. 5. Secure data management. Safe storage with export options. Whether you're a mobile repair technician, IT support team, retail service center, or part of an enterprise, Phone Clinics is tailored for you. Phone Clinics is compatible with macOS Ventura 13.0 or later, supporting devices like the iMac, MacBook, and Mac Pro. For iOS, it works on iPhone X and newer models with iOS 14.0 or later. Contact us, and let's get you started today.